one of our recent clients that's clearly a Automation Anywhere leveraging A360, by the way, product. They've asked us to come in and help them essentially reimagine how digital processes might work within merchandising. So I'll take it a little bit different area here, right? For that client, we started with typical problem statement. Well, what do you want to get accomplished through automation? This specific client had some challenges around, hey, the efficiency associated with deal promotions. Okay, so think of it as if you're a retailer and you have different promotions that you want to run, what's the process by which you need to go through to help essentially administer those deals from creation through execution. And so while maybe it was a bit of a bottleneck challenge to begin with, what we found as we got into this, and I'll lead to the value proposition here in a second, but the single biggest thing which was draining value from them, from their process, wasn't just efficiency of promoting deals, but in the accuracy in deals that were being promoted. And that led to multiple variations of value leakage, from everything from, hey, we have pricing that's being put in front of customers that is actually, I'll call it outside of what the desired pricing that they had established or approved for the deal, to, hey, we have inefficiencies in when we set up promotions, which is leading to incredible waste associated with signage. This client, for example, had over $1.5 million of wasted signage a year that literally just got thrown out because when they were going through the promotion and the approval, what actually at the tail of the promotion cycle didn't match what was approved. So we used through the while we were leveraging automation as a lens to drive efficiency, it really kind of unlocked a lot of other value levers that I think many times our clients, good coaching, if you will, take a look at the complete value proposition that you can really drive, leveraging automation as a means to get there.